Hello, my name's Oscar from the Moners. So you'll be happy to hear that I bought a tripod, so no more of me fondling around with my phone. And today I'll be showing you the valve seal removal and installer kit. I bought this off eBay for about £15. It is for removing the seals, which I'll just grab now. And obviously the valves. But yep, I literally just took them off, but I just put them on for demonstration purposes. So I've also got this light off IKEA, so you know it's reliable. If I get out the pliers, just hope I'm relatively zoomed in. And it's simply just you grab it. If it focuses, I'll do. Quality camera work this. You give it a bit of a wiggle and it pops straight off. So there's a valve seal remover, pair of pliers with a funny little end on them. If I do the other one, there you go. I wasn't as successful in the other side of the cylinder head. Pick this one up. As you can see on this one, the valves actually shattered because they were just perished pretty much, and as you can see, I'll have to order a new set. But there's pretty much a spring around a rubber frame, so to speak, and they were just on here, and I had to use quite a bit of force with these to get them off, but I did get them in the end. These are going to be sent off to be sandblasted or aquablasted, one of them, I can't remember which, and yeah, they're going off in 2 days, so there'll be some good content of me putting them back together and lapping them using this paste I got and the tool. I'll probably end up putting this rubber tool, because they come off, onto a drill, as I've seen on YouTube. A few people have done that and it just looks quicker. Yeah, I'll put that back. Yeah, so that was pretty much a quick demonstration of this. I didn't have to use these gizmos, this tool, and it's an 8mm. I didn't need to use it. And yeah, you just use them to get the valves out, or the seals on, should I say. But I will be using that when it comes to rebuilding. I think now I'm thinking about it, I'm going to put this camera on the actual desk, facing down, because then you can see all my work a lot easier than me running back and forth checking that everything's in frame. Or I could do that. Alright, I'll just take this apart again. And I think while I wait for the other parts to be sandblasted, I'd work on the go-kart. Now it's an off-road go-kart. So I put this stuff back together so I don't lose it. I'll pick you up. Now it's an off-road for go-kart. I think it's around 300cc. Just find the lights. This is pretty much where I dump all the stuff from here into here. So if I just get the lights, this go-kart I've been wanting to get running for a while now, but been working on the Ford Cobra instead. But we're not sure what happened to it, but one day it just stopped working. So I'm hoping it's an electrical fault, which should be relatively easy to fix because there isn't many electronics on there. If it's mechanical, same way, but I'll need to research it a bit more. And yeah, we've also got this motorbike. It's a Champ. Honestly, I have no idea what a Champ is. There's an alarm of something. I'm not sure what that's from. But yeah, I'll probably start a video on this today with this tripod. Just taking it apart, breaking it down a bit, and seeing what's wrong. So if I head back now, yeah, let's set this little guy up again. Yep, I hope you enjoyed the video. There will be more videos to come when I get them all cleaned. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.